Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Willowwick to Ripley, New York, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing severe winds in excess of 50 knots from 18 nautical miles northwest of Ashtabula to 27 nautical miles west of Ashtabula, or from 18 nautical miles north of Geneva on the lake to Fairport Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Erie. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday morning for northern Ohio.
An urgent weather message.